guys, welcome back to Zig the Programming Guide channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to make an account in Among Us app. So first thing you have to do is open up your Play Store or Apple Store and search for Among Us. So once you click on that, you install the app and open it up. So let's open it up together. So I just finished installing mine and I've just opened mine. So let's see how it works. So this is just like a fresh. So give a policy, I understand. Click on play because we want to. We see where it says my account right there. I clicked on that and it took me to my Google Play Games. So this is my Google Play Games name. So I'm going to click on continue to create an account on Among Us. So it's actually loading. Okay, I'm going to sign in. So continue, click on continue again. Okay, I need to do like a age verification, and let me impute it. Okay, yes. Okay, we say sign in or create an account with us. So it's supposed to show create an account. Okay, I've signed in because I've linked my Google Play Games to it, so I have an account with them now. So choose a friend code. Okay, I'm going to skip this, right? So I've just shown you how to actually create an account on Among Us. If you find this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up and equally subscribe to get more tips like this. Thanks for watching, guys. That's my next video. Bye.